health insurance, so I just needed a minute to myself.
Well, I thought maybe I'd buy you an apology drink.
Maybe you could just leave me alone.
Look, I'm really sorry about Cole. He's a lunatic.
Look, Rebekah, you're really fun and pretty and all, but I really need you to leave me alone.
Leave him alone. Don't compel him either. Oh, she's...
Rejected by the captain of the football team.
That's right, don't forget it. Captain of the football team, Matt Donovan.
Damon.
Number 12.
You should have killed him. Another one.
Mystic Falls High. First round draft pick.
No, a big deal.
I can't be gentle.
No. I'm just saying she finds one a little more durable. That's all.
You two?
And who would that be?
Ruh-roh. I mean, vampires, I get it. I mean, I'm not mad at any of it at this point.